This section we're going to be talking about car washes, and this is a wonderful, of all the ways to make money, car washes is probably the best, yet it is the most competitive. Everybody wants to go to a car wash. It sounds great, year-round traffic, you've got cars sitting there, they're already thinking about their car, they're already waiting. Car washes are wonderful. And the way you are able to get these car washes is you have a clear understanding of what the owner's concerns are going to be. And here's their concern, and Adam will attest to this. All the time we talk to these car wash owners, anything, and pay attention to this, anything